This question belongs to Theory of Computation subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 2. So the question states, let L1 equals to W belongs to 0, 1 whole star, where W has at least as many occurrences of 1, 1 zeros as 0, 1 ones. Let L2 equals to W belongs to 0, 1 whole star, where W has at least as many occurrences of triple zeros as triple ones. Which one of the following is true? Okay, see, if you are counting, let us see for L2. So L2 is a string of all W's such that W has at least as many occurrences of triple zeros as triple ones. So here we need to individually count the occurrences of triple zeros and triple ones and compare them. So it can't be done by a regular finite automata. So it is not a regular language. Okay, because here we need to do comparison. So L2 is not regular. L2 is not regular. But you may see that L1 will also be not regular based on the same grounds 110 and 011. We need to count 110 and 011 and check whether the count of 110 is greater than or equal to 011. But no, here there is some relation between 110 and 011. See, what the relation is, we cannot have two 110s without a 011. See, if we have a 110, then perfect. Now what we can have? We are saying we can't have two 110s, which means 110 followed by a 110. If this is the case, then 011 will definitely come. Okay, let us say this string is X. Now X can be null. In that case, there is a 0, 1, 1, 0 from here, 1, 1 from here. Okay. Now if we say that X is 0, in that case also this 0 will combine with this 1, 1. So we can't eliminate this. Okay, so you might say that instead of 0, we will take 1. Okay, even if you take 1, you will have 110 over here and 011 over here. So this is for sure whatever string you take. If you start with a 1, only a single one. Okay, let us try to eliminate it. Let us take only a single one. If you take only a single one, then we have 110, only a single one, 110. But here we will have 011 over here. So you can say you can't have two 110 without a 011. Okay, and similarly you can't have two 011 without a 110. See, if you put null over here, still you will have 110. Okay, now if you put a 0 over here, still you will have 110. If you put a 1 over here, you will still have 110. So whatever you put, you will still have 110. So you can't have 2011. So if you have 2011, then there will be definitely be a 110 in this entire thing, whatever may come in between. If you have 2110, then definitely it will have a 011 in between. Okay, now let us see one more thing. See, so what the next thing is that if you say that the string contain only string start with 1 ones, okay, then if a string start with 1 ones, then it can never have more 011. So then it will always have 110s will be more than 011s. Why? See, if it is starting with 1 1, so what are the number of 110 and 011? It is 0, it is 0. So the condition greater than or equal to satisfies. If we have still a 1, how many ones we have? There will be 0 and 0. Okay. Now if we say we got a 0. So if we got a 0, we have more 110s. So 110 count is more, still the condition is satisfied. 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Now whatever you put, if you put zeros, nothing is going to change. Now if you put a 1, so do you have a 110? No, you do not have 110. So count is still 1 is greater than or equal to 0. But as soon as you put a more 110, this count, so see what happens. So you had all ones. So our aim is to increase this 011. So how do we increase it? We increase it by putting a 011. So if we put a 011, then there is 110 also and 011 also. So count is both 1. Now if you still try to increase 011, then you got 2011, but we studied the condition 2. If we have 2011, then we will also have a 110. So 110. So count will remain to be 2 greater than equal to 2. So this condition will be satisfied when our string starts with 11. So if our string starts with 11, we will always have more number of 110s than 011. So let me see. If you have nothing, then 110s are definitely greater than 011. If you get a 1 and you go to another state, then what happens in this state? If you just have a 1, so 110s are more than 011. If you again get a 1, still you will have 110 more than 011. Here whatever you get, either you get a 1 or a 0. Always, as I have showed earlier, if you start with 1 1, then whatever be the case, it will always be an except state. Okay, now see, we get a 0. If you get a 0, it is an except state. Only string 0 is always accepted. If you get a 1 0, it is also accepted. Why? Because 110s are greater than 011. If you get a 1 0, both count as 0. Now here, whatever zeros you give, so if you have any number of zeros or 1 followed by any number of zeros, still count as 0. But see, if you get a 1 over here, then what happens? So if you get a 0 1, still the count is, there is no, see, you may get a 0 0 1. So still this condition is satisfied. 0 1 1 and 1 1 0 are not occurring. Okay, and if you get over here a 0, then still the condition 0 1 0, it is still satisfied, as 1 1 0 and 0 1 1 are not forming. You cannot form 0 1 1 using this string, and you cannot form 1 1 0. Still it is satisfied. But if you come over here, if you have 0 1 and then a single 1, then how many 0 1 1 you have? You have 1 0 1 1. So it is a non-accept state. You have a 0 1 1. So for this, it is a non-accept state. Now whatever ones you get, so after getting a 0 1 1, so you can come by two ways. Either you have 0 0 star and then 1 1. So you have 0 1 1, or you come by this path. So you follow 1 0 0 star 1 1. If you get a 0 1 1, then it is a non-accept state. Now whatever number of ones you get, it will be a non-accept state because you are not getting a 1 1 0. But if after a 0 1 1 you get a 0, then what happens? See, after this state, if you get a 0, or after this state you get a 0, then you have 0 1 1 as well as 1 1 0. You have 0 1 1 as well as 1 1 0. Now another 0 1 1, if it will come, if another 0 1 1 will come from over here, it will be a non-accept state. So we can do it in 6 states. And if you can draw finite automata, then it is regular. So answer is L1 is regular but L2 is not. Option A.